Hello students, let's start Algebra 9th standard first lesson sets. Some pictures are given. In that pictures we see bunch of keys, pile of notebooks, flock of birds, bouquet of flower. We use special word for each of the collection. In that collection we clearly list the object of that collection. We call the collection of objects such as set. But another example, that is happy children in the village, brilliant student of the class. In both the example, the word happy and brilliant are relative terms because the exact meaning of these words, to be happy, to be brilliant, differ from person to person. Therefore, these collections are not sets. So, what is mean by set? The well-defined collection of object is called set. To denote the set, capital English letters A, B, C are used. The individual object of the set is called the member or element of the set. The element of the set are denoted by lowercase letters a, b, c. If A is an element of set A, then it is written as A belongs to set A. If A is not an element of set A, it is written as A is not belongs to set A. The methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets, that is listing method or roster method, and second rule method or set builder form. Let us see listing method. In this method, all the elements of the set enclosed within curly brackets. Elements are separated by commas. The order of the elements in a set is not important. An element, even if repeated, it listed only once. For example, the set of the digit in numbers 237212, it is written as in curly bracket 2371. Second method, that is rule method or set builder form. In this method, the elements are not listed. The elements of the set are described by specifying the property which determines the element of the set uniquely. For example, the set of odd numbers from 1 to 10 is written as A is equal to in curly brackets 13579 in listing method, and in rule method it is written as A is equal to curly brackets x vertical line, x is an odd numbers less than 10. It is read as A is a set of all x such that x is an odd number less than 10, where vertical line stands for such that. Next, that is the Venn diagram. Venn diagram means ideas or concept are better understood with the help of diagrams. These ideas were used and developed by British logician John Venn to study sets. The diagrams representing sets are called Venn diagrams. We use rectangle, circle, any geometrical shape to represent the Venn diagrams.